The tunnel? Come on. Come through. Go through the tunnel. Good girl. Here she comes. Go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. You can do it. Go through the tunnel, yes. Yeah, good driving. Good driving. Yay, should. She went through my legs. Good girl. Yay, Alice. Good girl, honey. Want to try to go again? Go back through the tunnel. Come back. Whoa. Good driving. Here, come back through the tunnel. This way. This way. Good driving. The tunnel. Good girl. Uh-oh. Steer it. Steer it. Good girl. Good driving. Come through the tunnel. Uh-oh. Try again. You hit the pylon. Uh-oh. You going that way? What happened to the tunnel? What happened to the tunnel? Going somewhere else? Where are you going? Going that way? Bang. Going to the bathroom? Hey! Hey! Another closed door. Come through the tunnel. I'll make you a tunnel this way. Ah! Try again. You ran into my leg. Tunnel. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're stuck. Good girl. Yay, Alice. Master driver. You're walking really well. Walk to Daddy. Come here. Walk to Daddy. Let go of your car. You can do it. No, you don't need to get on the floor. Good girl. We fell. We fell. Give me that passy. Hi, honey. Give me that passy back. I love you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alice. 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 Mm-hmm. Where are you going? Hey. She's on the move. There's Bunny. Don't need that pharmaceutical commercial. So here's the girls of the house. There's Kiwi. There's Alice. Getting on her little table she likes to sit on. And there's Georgie. Georgie. Yes, you good girls, all of you. Say Alice. Say hey. Bunny. Getting your little table. Good girl. Good job. Say bye-bye.